The next book that I was going to review is Big Planet by Jack Vance. This one I gave 3 stars. It was fun. This is one that, like, I don't know how well you can see the cover. It's one of those ones where I just liked how the cover looked, so I bought it. I literally knew nothing about the story when I bought it, and then I knew nothing about the story when I started reading it. But I read this for Rocket Summer. This was my 50th book? Yeah, 1957, copyright. So, it was my first Jack Vance. I really actually enjoyed it. I kind of wish that it was longer. It's only about, let's see, 217, so just over 200 pages long. And the characters are fun enough, and the planet is said to be so huge and vast, and there's all these different cultures on it that are insanely different. Big Planet is basically a planet that is very similar to Earth, but it's big. it's really huge. And the gravity is the same, and the way that, like, Vance kind of gets around, like, the physics of it is that it's made up of different materials than Earth is. Like, there's not really any natural occurring metal on Big Planet, so it's able to be bigger but not have as high of a gravity, which I don't think is accurate at all, but that's the explanation that he gives in the book, so we'll go with it. But it's like a colony planet, so, like, people that are on Earth that feel like the Earth societies and everything aren't giving them the freedom that they want, they will leave and go to Big Planet. And so you get all these different kind of niche groups that are, like, just vastly different, and there's not like a governing body on Big Planet. Everyone just kind of, like, looks out for themselves. So it's kind of like a Wild West kind of situation, not like Westerns or anything, but there's no one out there. There's no president, there's no kings or queens. They're kind of like individual, like, little, like, tribes. That's the best way to put it. So it's fun, it's quirky. One of the plot points I figured out really early on, I kind of figured out who, like, the mystery trader was. Not all of them. There are, like, multiple traders throughout the thing, but I figured out the, like, big reveal at the end. But the details of the big reveal I didn't figure out. So I know that there's a sequel to this called Showboat World. And so that'll be my next Vance read. I was going to read Dragon Masters because I've had that one on my TBR for ages, but I really enjoyed this one enough that I kind of want to read its sequel and see, because it said to take place on the same world. It's on Big Planet. So I want to see, I want to see what Vance does with a sequel for it. Because it didn't really leave off, I guess it sort of does leave off as, like, there could be a sequel with these characters. But again, I don't know if that's what Showboat World is, if it's a continuation with these characters or not. I did, it's very dated with, like, you know, how the men view the woman or female character and everything like that. And so, you know, there's moments like that. But I don't know. It was fun. It was quirky. It was exactly what I wanted and expected from the cover. So, yeah, 3 stars. It was fun. I'll read more Vance.